I watch the raindrops dancing alongside my bedroom window, and I think about how Noah and his family must have felt. I look to the sky, the rain's rhythm changes, and all I hear is the applause of 1,000 angels. I often reminisce about a summer's day, a blue skies, cool breeze, no worries kind of summer's day. But I'm reminded that the sky is still gray. I think about how I have no control over the weather, or how my plans are now like fragile pieces of paper, ripped up and scattered like it never even mattered. My soul begins to testify to how powerful my God is. I'm pretty much housebound until the sun comes out. But at least I'm still here, in good spirits and a good cheer, waiting until the clouds clear.